going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's raining in May, which is nice. Usually, the whole April showers bring May flowers thing is a thing, but I guess not today. Although, speaking of which, I want to talk about another time when it was raining in April. Went out and took some super dope photos, and I've been posting them on my Instagram page. So if you haven't already, go check that out. Or else, you'll have to watch the video and see me take the photos themselves. I'm recording on my phone because I lost my mic in Chicago, which is a story for a different video. But for now, I want to get into the video of me going around taking photos in the rain in April. Now, before I do get into it, I want to let you know that in that video, I'm shooting with one of my new friends, Jessica, and she was more than happy to go take photos with me. She was taking photos with her phone. She's not like a photographer, but she loves taking photos, and she really wanted to go and take photos with me. So I was more than happy to, because I'm not picky about how people take photos. What's up, guys? And she made it very clear that she did not want to have her face in the video. So, out of respect, I did my very best in editing to make sure you couldn't see her face. So, that's why it's a little choppy this time. By the way, that's who's talking. If there's, there's gonna be another voice in there. That's who it is. She's very nice. And she runs the it's the Minneapolis tours. So if you're ever in the area and you want to take a really nice tour, she gives the best tours. Soon, I will be giving some tours. I just gotta set everything up. It'll be dope. But that's enough yapping. Let's get into it.
Floor 6.
Oh, I love when there's no cars up here. Oh, they kind of stopped. Oh, this is a pretty decent view. Oh yeah, that is kind of cool. I don't know why, but I kind of like this. It's like stairwell, level 6. That's very bright. Cool. Fixing my settings is fun. Cool. Oh, I like it. How is the view from up here? Oh, it's actually kind of cool. I kind of dig it. We like some cars. Not a single bit of... There's one car. Hello, one car. Oh, someone taking the walk across the street. Perfection. Yo, this is actually a solid spot. I like it. Why have I not done this already? Neat. Gotta wait for that green light to happen so I can get this shot with cars in it. There we go. And we're getting a white car. Neat. I like it. Yes, the busy street. How is the view from this way? Oh, wow. Actually, that's a great shot. What a great idea this was. The bus. The bus. The cars? Neat. I might be addicted to parking ramps. I might have a problem. The solution is taking more photos. Yes, the boss. We got him. Yo, tell me this wouldn't be a dope little, what is it? Click. Wallpaper for a computer. Person walk across the street. Walk across the street, please. She turns. She's crossing the street. Let's go! She's crossing the street! We got another one! Let's go! 2 people crossing the street. Winning. Let me see. I gotta find a good puddle though. Is this a puddle? Can confirm is puddle. And then squat. Focus on the ground. All right, focus on the skies. That's not bad. Neat up. You want to try? Oh yeah, don't worry. I'm having a heart attack every single time I do it. Best believe I almost die inside when I have my camera hanging from a parking ramp. I be holding on to it for dear life. Well, it would be swell if we can get some cars going down Washington Avenue. I say trying to manifest cars going down Washington Avenue. It didn't work. But these photos about to be straight fire. Best believe. The internet finna explode. Haters will say it's AI. Please give me more cars. Not the one car, but all the cars. Well, my hands are already cold. That was quick. I thought that was a cop car. But it's not. Yes, yes, the cars are here. This is what I wanted. This is why we're here. Cool. I have gloves. I forgot. They're in my pocket. Oh. I just didn't put them on.
Please tell me they have sticky fingers.
They do not. Oh yeah, I gotta turn it on. I hear it's a lot easier to take photos when your camera's on. I'm so excited for these photos. Yeah, that parking ramp looks a lot more busy. A lot busier.
Do you always go to the top, or do you go up to just about any floor?
I try to go for the top.
To the top.
Seems to have a cooler effect when it's all the way at the top. Bus. Let's go. Let me get a shot from here. This is actually kind of nice. Wait.
Much higher.
Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. Oh. Back to 53. And then. There we go. Nice. So, person gonna cross the street. Person gonna cross the street. Let's go. Nice. Look at these little pocket dimensions into the outdoors. I love that. I'm gonna use that, actually. That's kind of cool. That's a little neat. I dig it. Look at that. Haters will say it's AI. Maybe if I get on my tiptoes. How cool is this? That's so nice.
That's really fun.
Isn't it? This whole natural frame that they got going on here. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. I dig it. Yes! And a bus! Let's go! I might be addicted to buses. It's not an addiction. I just like them. To an unhealthy degree. Cool. That's so cool. Like, look at that. This view is so nice from up here. I think so. It's like a little pocket dimension. A lot of those around here.
What's today?
It is Friday. It is 2:05.
So normally Fridays from 12 to 1, somebody plays the bells at
Oh.
City Hall. So it's not an alleyway.
No.
Never mind.
I'm still gonna shoot it, but it's not an alleyway. Gotta stand in the middle. Perfection. Feet up. Oh, I found the alleyway. Wah. I'm gonna shoot it in the face. Nah. Got it. Is that a garbage bin? Shoot that too.
It's cool with the dumpster, the
Mm-hmm.
green and yellow, and then the yellow down there.
Yeah, that's so perfect.
Yep. Oh, and look at how this cool thing to walk across. There are two separate
Like,
pieces.
yeah, for each like floor and stuff. If only we could get in there.
Wild.
There's like a little thing kicking out smoke. It looks so cool. Sorry, I got distracted. I actually quite like this view. As a landscape. Give me some smoke. Give me that smoke. Up, up. Aww. The color, it was so orange. It was so nice, and I missed it. But there's a person crossing the street. This is such a nice view and a great day to do it because like this like weather is pristine for street photos. I'm still getting rained on. Oh, there's solar panels.
This one over here has a smokestack in the back.
Oh, that's so nice. I'm gonna shoot it. I'm getting on my tiptoes because I'm not tall. And I think this actually might be one of my new favorite spots. This might actually be one of my new favorite spots. This parking ramp is super cool. And I gotta do the old tiptoes. Doritos. Let's see. Let me just get all this. Think. Jaywalking. Nice. Lady with a cart full of child. Whatever those are called again. So I can't remember right now. Huh. Nice. Yeah. There's a big dog. Where's the dog? Oh, look at that. It's a dog. What up, dog? There. Well, my hands are cold now.
So you hear that?
Yeah.
It's it sounds like somebody's playing. It doesn't sound very polished. There's somebody who sits at a 24-key piano on the main floor by the statue, the Father of Water statue.
Yeah.
And they just play whatever.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I want to do that one day.
Shoot it or play it.
Yes. Yeah, this is a great ramp. Goodness. Gotta come back here.
This even just this, like just also because of
Yeah.
but like the colors on the concrete and then that part that's dry. It's just that's cool.
I'm gonna shoot it. You brought it to my attention. I must now shoot it. I'm gonna stand right here in the middle. Nice.
It's just wet. It'll never look like that again.
That's true. Whew. This is fun. And then we open the door and it's locked.
Now it is. 'Cause
Yeah.
Like, who are these people on the book?
Yeah, right. Let's lock them
there.
up.
Security up there. Not funny.
There we go. Life is better. Well, thanks for coming on my adventure. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Really makes a difference and lets me know that everybody's watching my videos. And if you made it this far, leave a nice comment, because we like hearing nice things. I really enjoyed those parking lots. Those, I've never been up there. So that being one of my new favorite spots, especially with those like rectangular holes in the side of the walls that makes for really nice natural frames, was really nice. But if you haven't already, like I said before, go check out my Instagram page. It's where I post all of the best photos that I get from my videos, including some photos that don't even make it into the videos. Crazy how that works. And I also just started I started asking you guys if you can help me pick out the thumbnails for my videos, because I pick out usually like 4 and then I whittle it down to like 2, and I can never decide because they all look awesome. So I asked you guys to help me, and the last time I did that, it ended up being, well, 50-50. So I had to pick myself anyways. I'll start doing it on my YouTube channel as well, but it helps when everybody's around everywhere. Without further ado, I'm yapping too much. I will see you guys in the next video. And of course, I don't know where I'm gonna go. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. But wherever I end up going, I'll take you guys with me. Until next time, my arm is getting tired.